pre-K, in your packet this week, you're going to get 2 pieces of blue paper and some white paint. And when your grown-up says it's time to do this, after you've listened to our story about spilt milk, we're going to make spilt milk pictures. And what you'll need to do is take your piece of paper and fold it in half. And then crease it, push on it. You open it up and you put 2 spoonfuls anywhere on your paper. Scatter it around, then you close it up, and then you can push on it and rub-a-dub-a-dub it, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you're going to open it up and see what your picture is. You could do it this way, it kind of looks like a sheep's head, or you can do it this way, and it kind of looks like a, maybe a polar bear. There's his back feet, one of those baby polar bears laying down. It can be anything you think. Some people made them and thought they looked like monsters, butterflies. Here's one that the kids thought looked like an angel, and everybody gets to make two of these pictures. And after you make it, your mom can let me know what you thought yours was. They're kind of fun. If you have an extra paper at home and extra paint, you can make as many as you like. But everybody will have 2 pieces of paper, and everybody will have enough paint to make at least 2. So have fun with that. Bye, pre-K.